It looks like I ate a Pillsbury's ass. Hi everyone, I'm JJ. Okay, so just to get real quick to the video, let's get started because Halloween is just around the corner, and you know what? I know I'm professional. I know how, like, you guys always look to me like, yo JJ, like, how do you do your makeup? And I'm like, I don't, because you can't put makeup on trash. Listen, there are two different types of people during Halloween. You get the people who put in the work, who dress up as a fucking toothbrush. Jenna.
Oh, what is that?
I'm a toothbrush!
And then you get the people who are like Celeste Rose, who are basic as fuck. Not shading Celeste, because she looking hella fine. She looking right. But you know, you get those people who are like, oh, I'm gonna dress up. And like they just put like a little bit of makeup on their face because they want to look sexy or look cute. I'm gonna be one of those basic asses. So my inspiration is this homie right here. I mean, I don't know what to do, but I'm just gonna follow the tutorial and hopefully it comes out that way.
Orale Holmes, welcome back to Boots for Beauty.
Orale Holmes, welcome back to my beauty salon, fool. Okay, so the first step is to outline the circles on your eyes. Okay, let's just do that. And I got some cheap ass 98-cent crayons, so it'll probably work out. I don't know. And I have to use this big ass mirror because I don't own mirrors because I don't like my face. Can you see it? I don't know. Okay. Got that part. Step one down. Let's go. Then you gotta outline a little mouth that's going on there. So we're gonna do that. I had a moco and no one told me. What is that? It didn't come out right! This one looks like a snack. This one looks like a fruit snack. Nobody wants it. Do I have a towel? Do I have time for a towel? The pressure is on, my dudes. Ooh, it came off real quick. Hell yeah, okay. I mean, it's alright. I don't have to do it. I mean, it's not even, but my face isn't even, so not like it matters. So basically, just fill it in. Whatever circles you put on your face. Okay, maybe I should have dried my face, because my forehead is so greasy, it's slipping off. It's in my nose. I can smell the cancer. It looks like I ate a Pillsbury's ass. I mean, I'm getting very hot and sweaty and it's coming off. Why can't I have nice things? I don't own makeup and I don't want to use my mom's. So we're just, if you have makeup and can contour, you go do that. Just contour the outlines, make it look like it's all detailed and también and everything, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to have to buy things. Okay, the nose. Make it look like a fucking Dalmatian. Now I know how chicks feel when they say about their eyeliner. Like, they're not sisters, they're not twins. They're like cousins. Can you really tell the difference? Probably not. I don't know. I'm just trying to convince myself that I'm doing good things in life. This is the result so far. Okay? She outlined it. I was gonna use black crayon, but I think it's gonna mix, so I'll use my mom's eyeliner. Hopefully I don't fuck it up, because I'm not paying for a new one. Okay, so what you want to do is outline the lines to make it look like you're an actual clown. Shit. This clown's gonna be thick. Shit, let's tilt it a little bit. Fuck. Shit. Shit, we do. I mean, come on. Come on. on. It's alright. It'll have to do. It's like I rate it a C. C's get degrees, my dude. Remember that. Fuck. I mean, it's Halloween, so it's nighttime, so no one's really gonna tell, but you'll know.
Around me are familiar faces.
My eyebrows are thick. My eyebrows look like my sister's eyebrows. And I'm hot and everything's sweating and I'm frustrated. I just want to be done with this video. So black lipstick. I don't have black lipstick, but I'm gonna use the crayon. Crayola coming through. Maybe I should outline it with the eyeliner so I know where to stop and know where to go. I can fix it. I can fix it. Just believe in me. It's a crayon. I actually kind of like it. I'm kind of cute as fuck. Lipstick done. I feel like I'm almost there. Like, I'm kind of cute, but like, I'm like in between a snack and a meal. Like, what is that, lunch? I feel like I'm lunch. Wait, that didn't make sense. Don't forget the teardrop. That's how they know. That's how they know. I'm just gonna put 1 because I don't feel like drawing. I'm not good at it. It looks like a fucking circle. Okay, she does outline it because it looked kind of weird just to be white. It needs to be detailed. Shut up. I think that's it with the makeup. This is the face. Now we gotta add the details. I'm already wearing the flannel, so just button that shit. Then you add the bandana. What's up? What's Gucci? Hold on, I gotta do a full, like, hold on. And there you guys go. Here's the finished look. And there you guys go, here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's entertaining and helpful. That's always what I go for. And if you dress up like this on Halloween, just remember, stay on a trucha, so you never know who's might take offense to this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that stuff. And if you're done, thank you so much for watching anyways. Hope this entertained you and hope this made you laugh. And until next time, please remember to represent that hashtag Halloween Cholo life, because we thug, we savage. Anyways, until next time, I'm out. Happy Halloween.